Hi everyone, welcome back to Slice of Life. So today we are going to make something very different called Paneer Tikka pasta. So let's get started with it. For making Paneer Tikka pasta, first of all I've taken a little more than 1 cup of penne pasta and I'm going to boil it. And for that I'll be putting some olive oil into the pasta so that the pasta doesn't stick together, and I'll be adding some salt also. Now the pasta has boiled. Now I'm going to strain this out. So the most important step to making paneer tikka pasta is to prepare the marinade, and for that I have taken half cup of curd. So first I'm adding 2 cloves or long, then some salt to taste. Then I'm adding some garam masala to it, about half a teaspoon. Then about half a teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder. Then I'll be adding about 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Then some red chili powder according to taste, and a pinch of turmeric powder also, because this is going to be a fusion of Italian and Indian. So that's why I'm preparing the marinade and adding all the Indian spices to it. After adding these spices, I'll be putting ginger garlic paste to it, just like you prepare the regular marinade. Then some oregano also for a bit of Italian taste. Then some basil leaves. Again a hint of Italian flavor. Juice of half a lemon. I've taken half a lemon because it was a big lemon, otherwise you could take juice of 1 lemon also. Adding these vegetables. So the most important one is paneer. I'm going to be adding paneer to it. Adding this half a capsicum, little more than half a capsicum that I've chopped. Then I'm going to be adding some corn. This is about 1/4 cup of corn. Then I'll be adding 1 chopped onion and mix it all together very well. Now after I've mixed everything, I'm going to be preheating my OTG for about 5 minutes at 180 degrees. I'm going to cover it and put this aside for 15 minutes. Now I've taken this baking dish on which I'm going to lay out these vegetables. So you could alternatively saute these vegetables on a pan also. You can shallow fry them on a pan if you don't want to grill them. Now I'm going to drizzle some oil on top of these vegetables and keep it inside the oven for about 15 minutes at 180 degrees. Now I'm going to put some butter, and then I'll add some ginger garlic paste here as well. Keep it on the low flame so that the paste doesn't burn. Now I'm going to add some tomato puree to it. I've also mixed some tomato ketchup in it, very little bit. I'm going to stir it for some time. Then I'll add some milk to it, 150 ml, say about 3/4 cup. Stir it. Then I'll add some salt as per taste, very little bit, since we've already added salt to the pasta and to the marinade. Then you can add some black pepper to it or white pepper according to your taste. Stir it well. Keep it on medium flame and stir it. And now I'm going to add about half a cup of grated mozzarella cheese, pizza cheese. Stir it well. Now I've taken out these vegetables from the oven and I'll be putting it soon into the pasta. Now I'll be putting the pasta. After putting it inside, I'll stir it lightly. Now I'm putting the vegetables inside the pasta. You could add olives also to it. Any vegetable of your choice, mushrooms, olives, whichever vegetable you want. Now let it cook for 2-3 minutes. Now I'm going to take it out on a plate. So our paneer tikka pasta is ready. Do try it out and let me know in the comment section how you liked it.